In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can install Git on Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. The first thing that we need to do is visit the website called git-scm.com as shown over here. And here on the downloads page, you can find links for all the operating systems. For instance, if I need to install Git on Windows, I can simply click on this link and there you go. It will automatically download the installer for us, and all you need to do is just click on it once it's downloaded to install it. Now, in order to install it on Mac, you just need to click on macOS, and here you have the options. For instance, if you are using Homebrew, then all you need to do on your terminal, type brew install git, and that will do it for you. If you make use of Xcode, then you can go ahead and use the version that ships with Apple Xcode software. If you need a binary installer, you can click on this link to download that. And here's a GUI version of it as well, which you can install using brew install git-GUI. Now, in order to work with Linux or Unix, just click on this link and you'll be provided with the instruction to install Git on your machine. So we saw how we can download the installer, and once the installer is downloaded, all you need to do is just execute it and install Git on your system. Now once you have done that, you can go to your command prompt like I have gone over here, and I can check that the version that I have installed on my machine is Git version 2.12.1, and one can easily upgrade it as well. So this is the latest version that I'm downloading, 2.30.2-64-bit, and that will basically upgrade the older version as well. So that was how to download and install Git on your operating system